Jesus is gonna come back.
Jesus gonna come back.
Mm-hmm.
Not in my lifetime. Shit.
Yeah, what you saying, man?
I mean, it's the. I mean, let's be honest. It's in the prophecy or whatever. But like,
Mm-hmm.
when people say, "Yeah, he gonna come back," like they say that like they gonna see him. Like they gonna be around and see that dude. What's up, my boy? Like it's been a minute. like, what's good?
What's that with it,
What's
my boy?
that,
Yeah,
right?
it's been a long time coming.
Yeah, he'd be like, really? Like he don't know. Has it? Imagine.